Hello, welcome to Project Eli. My name is Elizabeth. I'm gonna show you today how to make straps, lycra straps, the easy way to make straps. I wanna use for lycra, I'm gonna use the Overlock or Serger sewing machine. We have to let go the thread almost 10 inches. Okay, and then put the thread over the right side of the lycra, fold the lycra and put the lycra folded. Sorry. Okay, up the foot, down, and go ahead. The thread is always, you have to hold all the time, fold the lycra and start. Hold the lycra and go ahead. Then you pull the thread and you're gonna see how the strap goes into the lycra, and then we're gonna turn the right side out. Okay, you see? You see? Just go in this way. Let me finish. We only need 3 threads for this job. And remember, each time that you have to sew lycras or some stretch fabrics, you have to use the ballpoint needle. You see? Look. You pull the thread and the straps going to fall. Okay, then continue doing it. Ta-da! My strap is ready and it's strong. You see? You can pull it and then have any hole between the fabric. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to visit my website projecteli.com. Bye-bye.